Hi, I'm going to show you how to add external hyperlinks to a Weebly page. A lot of times if I'm going to have a lot of links from different sources, I like to have a table to organize them with. So I'm going to pull down this element called multiple columns. It defaults to 2. I can choose 3, 4, or 5. I think I'm going to choose 4. Because I only need small names here. It does not create a text box, so you then have to pull a paragraph box down. Now I can click here, and I can write, I'm going to look at my list, I can write H2OAAS, so I think they're underwater. So I'm going to say underwater, Alex Christian Mitchell. Oops. Okay, so underwater. Oops, click here to edit. I'm going to switch back to 3 columns. I don't think 2 is enough. So, underwater, Alex, Christian, Mitchell. And maybe since I'm adding all 3 names, I might even want to go 2 columns. Anyway, once I get their names down, I simply have to highlight that because I want that to be the link. I will click this create link thing. I then need to go get their website address, which is here. So I will try to copy that. Okay, and when I paste it right here, this link I like clicking. But I guess it depends on what I'm doing. If I want people to make sure they stay on my page also, instead of having to click the back button, I click that tab. If I don't think it's important to have my page in the background, I do not click it. But most of the time in a situation like this, I will click this, and I'll click save. We don't really see anything happen except that it turned to the link color. Unfortunately, I don't think you can test links within editing mode. So you do have to publish, and then you have to follow that link. And then, since I am working on a hidden page, I got to fix that link or add more to that link to get to the page I was just testing. I think I called it screencast. Shoot. Maybe I called it screencast. Darn, what did I call it? Pages, screencast. Maybe I have to put .html. There it is. Okay, so here's the link I just made. When I click it, notice that it opens in a brand new tab. That's what this. Come on, work with me. That's what that tick did. It made their page open in a page separate to mine. So I'll show you one more quickly. So I put a destination. So let's see, I know Marco, Elise, and Viara are going on the moon. So I'm going to copy their web page address. And then I'm going to write moon, Marco, Elise, and Viara. Moon. This needs to get out of my way so I can see. Moon, Marco, Elise, Viara. I highlight. I click the link button, I paste the URL, I tick this, I click save. In order to see it, you have to publish and get to that page. So if I refresh this, you can now see that second link, which also opens in a second tab. So it's a pretty easy process, and once you do it once or twice, it will continue to get easier and easier. So I can have half of my links here, and then I need another paragraph box over here to have my other half over there. And you will have a pretty stunning set of links. Thank you for joining me.